Hi, today I will prepare a chocolate tart. First off, I need to prepare a tart shell or a tart crust. So we need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of butter, and 1 whole egg. So we start by flour, then 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of butter. Rub the butter into the flour. Try to get the same result before adding the egg yolk. Then I will add the egg yolk, one piece. Mix. As you can see, the dough is too hard, but it's fine with the 4 touch shell. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of milk. If the dough is too hard, you can add 1 more tablespoon of milk, so it's okay, it's fine. As you can see, this is the perfect texture we are looking for. Now I'm gonna cover the dough. Press the dough flat, then put it in chiller for 4 hours until the ingredients are combined. But it's preferable to leave it overnight. That is good. If you have time, so make it before one night. Now we will prepare chocolate sauce. So we have here black chocolate, 1 cup of black chocolate, 1 cup of cream, so you can use any kind of cream you have, cooking cream, whipping cream, whatever you have, 1 tablespoon of butter, we will start by cream, then chocolate, then we heat the ingredients until it's boiled. So when it starts to boil, I need to remove, so it's enough. Then last step, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, as you can see. Just mix properly. The sauce is ready. After 4 hours, the dough is ready to use. Sprinkle a little flour, just a little. I use a mini tart molds, which is available everywhere, so you can buy it from any market or shop. You can also use any shape you have. Let's make 1 piece or 3 pieces, so you will have how to form a tart crust. So just keep pressing with your fingers, as you can see. Then use a knife to cut the edges of tart. Now we will put tart in chiller. So for 1 hour, this step is very important. Then I will bake it 6 minutes at 165 Celsius. This is the final result. Now I'm gonna add chocolate sauce. Then for presentation I use hazelnut. This is the final result. So we need to keep it 30 minutes in chiller before we serve it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in next video. Thank you very much.